So thank you all. I am extremely happy to be here. So first of all, before I start, I want to start with very good morning, sir, and to all of you. By the way, I am Priyanshu Yadav, and I am from Jaunpur itself. And today we are celebrating Teacher Day, as you all know. So I would like to invite Dr. Raunin sir.
Thank you, Priyanshu. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much for inviting me here. And as you all know, it is really a very special day, and this day is celebrated over the nation. I can say in India, in every nook and corner, it is being celebrated. And one thing that comes to my mind is, we have to maintain the proper relation between a guru and a student. So this is why this day is very important for us, and we have to keep in mind its importance, and we should be on the right path, because being a student, it is your duty to show your respect to your teachers, because somebody has rightly said a guru is not less than a god. So god controls everything on earth, but guru has his role to play in your life, and he is responsible to take you from darkness to light. And keeping that in mind, we are all assembled here, and we are celebrating this marvelous day. And I am very happy to the students who are being present over here. They all have the same duty to be on the right path, and they are always trying to learn something. As we all know, we are an institution. We are working in order to be good speaker, and this is the target we all have in common. Everyone is trying to speak well, and Gold Classes is an institution which is trying to make its best effort in order to make the positive changes in the lives of the students. So this is why this day is very important. And last but not the least, I would tell all my students to be on the right path and always take the path of honesty and dedication towards everything you are doing in your life. With this in mind, I would like to conclude my speech, and I would give some chances to students to speak something, because I have a lot of students, they are willing to speak something. So with this in mind, I would like to invite Ankit Yadav to be here to please come up and speak something. Please welcome him by a huge round of applause.
Thank you, sir. Thanks all of you. Before I begin, I would like to say a very good morning all of you present over here. I am super excited to be here. I am very happy. It's my pleasure to be here. And by the way, my name is Ankit Yadav, and we are gathering here to celebrate Teacher Day. I want to say something about Teacher Day and why we celebrate it. As we know very well that this is celebrated on the birthday of our first Vice President of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, and second President of India. He is a famous and a very great philosopher, and I think it is a symbol of what is bond between a teacher and a student, and we know this is I think this is like a festival as Holi and Deepavali. It is a festival of students and teachers. Last but not the least, I have to say only one thing: respect our teacher and love our teacher. Thank you all of you.
So this was really an interesting and super exciting speech by one of my students, and I'm very happy to have this opportunity to be in touch with all of you, because I have diamond like students, because they are always on the right path. And with this in mind, I would like to extend some other students who are willing to speak something. In this way, I want to invite once again Anurag to be here. Please give us your introduction, not more than that, and tell us why we all are gathered and assembled over here. So,
thank you, sir. You give me this opportunity to introduce myself. By the way, my name is Anurag Yadav. I am from Jaunpur itself. I am pursuing B.Pharm, and I am very thankful to be here, because on the occasion of the Happy Teacher Day, we are celebrating our
I can say it was really a good attempt by one of our students, Anurag. So Anurag, you have spoken really well. And with this, I would once again invite Priyanshu to come up and speak and talk a little bit about Teachers' Day, why this day becomes special in our life, and in what way you should respect your teachers, and why a teacher is very important person in your life. This is what you have to share. Please come up and speak something.
Once again, good morning to all of you. So today I gonna talk about the Teacher Day. So as we all know, Teacher Day is very important. Teacher Day is very fabulous day for all of us. So when it comes to teachers, the first thing that comes to my mind, back story when I came here. So a couple of months ago when I came here, I feel like English was very difficult for me. But nowadays I realized English is not as difficult as I think. But English is a language. We are taken very hardly. It is very hard, and English is a language. So we are. I can say you will be a perfect speaker one day. So I know maybe not today and maybe not tomorrow. It is maybe not the next month, but you will be a perfect speaker one day, I promise. And that's all, sir.
It was really a good attempt, endeavor from your side, I can say. And I have some more speakers, they are willing to speak. So I would invite Prashant. So please come up and speak something. And it is going to be a part of your life that is, I think, very important. You are being with us with something to learn in your head. So please come up and speak something on this special occasion, because Teachers' Day is not an ordinary day. Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot for inviting me here on this very special day. I mean to say Teachers' Day. So before I go ahead, I would like to tell each and every one of you good morning to one and all, and it's my pleasure to be here. My name is Prashant Yadav, and I am from Jaunpur. So on this very special day, I mean to say Teachers' Day, we are here to celebrate Teachers' Day, and it's my honor to be here, to be in touch with you, my coach Dr. Onen sir, and something I want to share with one and all, and this is why I am here. So a few months ago I was not able to speak in English, but after I joined this platform, and I can say I am getting better day by day, and it's my great privilege to be here, and whoever I am and whatever I am by your blessings, sir. And so once again I must thank to you, sir, just because it's my great privilege, and I am deeply grateful to you, sir, just because you have changed most of the youths and his or her life, and they are able to speak in English. So I can say, so I would like to tell you, it's a particular platform where we can in the simplest way improve our communication skill, and I believe in this platform, and that is why I am able to speak in English. And so last but not the least, I would like to tell one and all, so if we want to achieve something in our life, then we need to make being here is very important. As I said earlier classes, that without giving much of our time, we cannot take anything very seriously. So thanks to every one of you for being here, for joining this session. And before I conclude my talk, I would like to thank my all friends for coming here, for joining this session, and it's my honor to be here. I am very thankful to to be here in touch with one and all. Thank you, sir.
So I feel it was one of the finest speeches we have ever had today. So it was really a very good opportunity for all of us to learn something. And I think there is nobody who is left behind to speak something. So thank you so much for being a part of this celebration, this whole event. And for the vote of thanks, I would like to extend my heartiest welcome and thanks to all my students, because you all have decorated well this classroom, and everything is in apple pie order, I can say. And I am very happy to note this, that you all have such and such respect for me and in this whole institution. I am especially thankful to Priyanshu, Dheeraj, Ankit, and everyone like Akash, Harshvardhan, and please pardon me in case I am forgetting the name of any of you. So it is really very good attempt and initiative you all have taken, because on this special day we are doing something good. Nobody is doing like this, and this is really a very special day, and that is strengthening the relation that is there between you and me. So we are trying to do something well on a daily basis. I am very happy students are speaking. Even here in we have Hindi environment everywhere, but students are speaking in English, and this is why I can say the effort I am making here is moving in the positive direction. And I am very happy, extremely grateful to all of you for being a part of it, and I am very happy as well at the same time that I am making changes in the lives of the people. Thank you so much for coming, and thank you so much for being a part of this journey.